CameraMatch 2011 also added crop clipping abilities to the objects. Here I've got a viewport, and you'll see here when I drag over, the highlighting is showing some of the objects within it. We've got a couple of shadow objects and some masking, and masking with clone turned on. So I'm going to go into the annotations, and I'm going to go ahead and add a shadow object just for fun, but also to demonstrate how this clips to the crop here. So I'm going to add a shadow here, and let's exit back out. Okay, now you'll notice that that shadow extends past the edge of the photograph, but it actually clips itself to the edge because the CameraMatch does place a crop at the size of the photograph. But now here, if I go in and change the crop of the viewport, I'll delete this rectangle here and I'll place an oval shape in. And let's see here. Try to get it to clip some of these mask objects. And exit back out. Now you'll see here the rendering has been clipped. The shadow and mask objects have not. But when they do regenerate, they will recognize the new crop. An easy way to do that, to get them to regenerate, is to just use the move command and move them by 0, 0. And that will move the viewport, and all the objects will be triggered to regenerate. So when they finish regenerating, you'll see the objects are now clipped to the edge of the crop. And over here, you actually see the line of the object, and that's because the object is no longer within the crop area at all. So in that case, these objects can be deleted. And then you could still see here the mask object of this grass extends outside the crop, but it does not display outside the crop. The same here with the shadow. So any new objects that we place will also clip themselves automatically. So if I wanted to mask a certain area out here, you can see here the mask is only showing within that crop. And the same with the shadow here. Like so. In addition to that, I'm going to select the CameraMatch object and click on Show Photo. Okay, and I'm going to select everything and bring it in front of the rendered model, just to show what's happening here. The CameraMatch object still shows the entire photo, because when you're laying out control lines, you generally will want to see the whole photo. But sometimes you want to look at it as if it's been cropped to the viewport crop. So we've added this new option, Clip Photo to Viewport Crop. So when we click on that, the photo clips itself to that viewport's crop as well.